What's up everyone, Reggie from ReggieTECH here. I hope you're all doing well and thanks for tuning into the channel. Now if you guys have watched my channel for some time now, I did a review and unboxing on the Bosch 18-volt FlexiClick System. Now I received that drill a while back and I did the unboxing for it, and at the same time that I ordered this drill, I also ordered the SDS-Plus attachment for it. Now, this did not come in the same box as the drill, and it didn't come included with it either. It's an add-on feature, and it came about maybe a week or two after the drill arrived, and it kind of got lost in translation and forgotten about just because of everything that was going on at that time. So I forgot to do the review on it, and I haven't even opened it up since I purchased it. So I just wanted to get that done now so that you guys can see just how this system works and if it's really any good. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be as good as a standard SDS-Plus drill, but you know, it's meant to be a compact system, so I definitely think this will be great in a pinch, you know, like if you need it for not too much of a heavy-duty application. But before we jump to any conclusions, let's go ahead and get this unboxed, installed, and we will test it out to see how it works and performs. Alrighty, so it's been a long time coming. I should have done this a long time ago. But here we go. Here is the Bosch FlexiClick 18-volt system, and now we have the SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer Attachment. And let's just get this thing unboxed. So before we get it unboxed, let's take a look at the packaging. It says Bosch up at the top, SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer Attachment. Tells you that in a couple different languages there. Tells you the model number, which is GFA18-H, and then a bunch of numbers down here, 1600A019Z1. And right up here at the top, it does tell you what this attachment is compatible with, which is the GSR18V-53FC 18-volt FlexiClick drill system. Tells you that in a couple different languages as well. Down here it says SDS-Plus. It shows you the hand attachment right here, as well as the SDS-Plus attachment right there. On the back we get more information about the tool, and I'll just let you guys take a look at this. The impact energy of the tool is 0.74 foot-pounds of impact energy. The impact rate is 0 to 5,400 BPM. The drilling diameter in concrete is 3/8 of an inch, and the weight of this product is 1.6 pounds. It also does tell you that it's made in Taiwan. It tells you some warnings up there, and basically what we get. Let's just open this up. They use some extremely strong plastic. Whoops, I went all the way down there. But anyways, let's try and get this thing opened without completely destroying it. Yeah, come to think of it, I should have just used a pair of scissors. And let's just put that like that. Alrighty. So we have pretty much got this open. Shout out to Bosch for this incredibly strong packaging. This is some really, really good packaging for this this product. But anyways, here is the handpiece, nice and light, and it feels nice and strong. The band is constructed of metal, but the rest of it is plastic. It's slippery. Here is the rotary hammer attachment right here, the SDS-Plus, and we'll put that down for now. There is one more thing down at the bottom of this box. And let's go ahead and get that out. Alrighty, so the box is now empty. This is a huge manual, instruction manual for this product. This is basically the instruction manual for everything about the FlexiClick system. So it's kind of nice to have. I mean, already got a manual with the drill itself, but this thing is huge. All right, let's put that aside. And let's take a deeper look at the attachment itself. So right here on the side, we'll see the model number and basically everything we need to know. On the top, it does show us that it is for the SDS-Plus drill bits, and it shows us the where to push down to release the bit. So we're going to pull down to release. On the front of the attachment itself, it does say Bosch. Here we can see the locking mechanism and all the gears, and SDS-Plus. So let's just put this in, and we'll click it in and see how it sounds. Wow, that's actually quite powerful. I did not expect it to have that much power, considering that it's just an attachment. It's not a real, you know, like full-on rotary drill. But wow, that yeah, my hand kind of hurts. My hand, yeah, ouch. But it does have quite the power to it, which is surprising. So I'm kind of excited to see how this thing will perform. And, you know I can't really do an even comparison because there really isn't any other tool out there quite like this FlexiClick. But we will also be doing a comparison video soon between this SDS-Plus attachment on this Bosch drill, the FlexiClick drill, versus my Makita subcompact SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer. And we'll see how that works. But let's go ahead and test this out first, and we'll see how it works. I mean, this whole piece right here is made out of metal. It's really, really well constructed. I am liking it. But yeah, let's see how it works, and we'll take it from there. you guys, well, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and the testing of the SDS-Plus attachment for the Bosch FlexiClick 18-volt system. I've got to say, this little attachment really did blow me away. And the fact that it is an attachment and not a standalone SDS-Plus, drill, it really does work so well. I was very surprised at the amount of power that this thing was putting out with all the beats per minute, especially when the drill is in setting number 2 for the higher RPM speeds. When it's in setting number 1, as you guys did see when I first started drilling, it did do a pretty good job actually. It drilled fairly well. But then when you put it in number 2, it just shows so much more power. With this kit, you do get the handlebar right here, and I'm so glad that they did include this because this definitely will save you, and it did save me from twisting my wrist when the drill got stuck in the concrete. It definitely wrenched my hand right around, so this did give me the added support to kind of hold this in place. It also does come with the depth guide, and now this is something that I'm so surprised about, and I'm very happy. The depth guide is metal. Now that's not something that you see with, like SDS-Plus drills, or that I haven't seen personally with a lot of the small SDS-Plus drills. I do have the Makita subcompact SDS-Plus drill, and it came with a plastic depth guide. I like the fact that this is metal because that means it's more durable and it'll last a lot longer, even though I don't really tend to use it all that much. But metal is much better for the depth guide, especially because you're putting so much pressure, and when it does reach that point, you don't want it to, get damaged, frayed, or, bend. So metal is much better, and I like the fact that they included that. Overall, I've got to say, I am totally blown away by this attachment for this drill. It turns this drill into so much more, even though this drill already does so much on its own. This drill, it definitely is pretty much the only thing that you'll need. And that's something that I like, because with this drill, you can take this anywhere, and no matter what the project is at hand, this can tackle that project. The only thing that it doesn't have is an impact driver, and that is unfortunate because an impact driver does make things a whole lot easier. But as I mentioned before, this drill will help you out in a pinch. And with this SDS-Plus attachment, that just takes it even further to what it can do. So I really do like that. Overall, while drilling those, 6 or 7 holes, it only went down 2 battery percentages, and I haven't charged this 4.0 core 18-volt battery in a long time. So when we started, it was a full 5 bars, but I'm not sure if it degraded over the time that it wasn't used or not. But nonetheless, we did start at 5 bars, and it only went down 2 with all that drilling. So I'd say it does stand out pretty well. Now, even though we were outside when we were testing this, I did see the light shining down in the concrete, so it does have a very bright LED light. And with the LED light being down here and facing upwards, it does not hinder the LED when you have this SDS-Plus attachment on here. It will definitely shine through and shine bright. So, all in all, I have got to say, this is a great attachment if you have this drill, or if you're looking to buy this drill and you want to see, the original unboxing for the drill itself and all the parts that it comes with. Definitely click in one of these links up in the top corners. But if you're also looking for this attachment right here for this drill, I would definitely suggest getting it. It's a little extra money, but I'd say it's worth it. It's a really cool system to have in general, and I do appreciate that. If you guys also want to check out the Bluetooth attachment for this, the little Bluetooth dongle, I did do a review on that and how the settings work and how to install it. So if you guys want to check that out, also click on one of these links up in the top corner and you guys can definitely take a look at it. So with all that being said, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, I do apologize that it took me so long to get this video out and actually test out this part, but nonetheless, we got it done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative, and maybe, you like the system and you'll go out and purchase it yourself. If you guys are interested in it, I will be leaving links to this drill as well as the SDS-Plus attachment and the little Bluetooth dongle down in that description box below, so definitely go check it out down there. And as always, if you guys have any questions or comments at all about anything that was used in this video today, go ahead and drop them down in that comment section below and I'll be quick to answer them. With all that being said, everyone, I hope you all stay well, stay safe, and stay healthy. I'll see you next time.